7616. We're here. Oh, Jenny. Oh, Jenny, get ready.
Welcome to my bathroom. So one of the cool things about the Disney boats is they're split bathrooms. Ships. Yep. This is the toilet room, wash face, brush teeth.
Woohoo!
And this is bathtub.
So this is a pretty good size tub, especially if you're traveling with kids. I mean, really, like, look how large it is. And it has the adjustable shower head. You could take off, all that good stuff. Woohoo! It's got ample space, and it's a split bathroom design. So someone, if they need to use the restroom or wants to do their hair and makeup in here with that nice blow dryer on the wall, they can.
They can. Here's our safety equipment, the long closet storage.
I love that.
Safety equipment.
Yeah.
You need that in case.
Yeah, just in case. You need to put on your flotation device.
And in here we have the safe, as well as some additional hanging storage, some long, some short.
Which, by the way, this is room 7616 on the Disney Magic.
Some drawer space here as well. Lots of classic artwork in this room.
Oh, there's Walt.
Yes.
So much storage space, which is nice. And also, which is awesome on Disney ships, is there is so much space underneath the bed. You can actually have children sleep under there, from what I'm told. Or you can put your luggage like most people do. What's this? More storage space. More beautiful artwork. These are some pirates from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Here's our gold member swag.
Gold member swag. Yes, we have so many of these. So we will be doing, I think, 5 Disney cruises this year. So we should auction off some bags, maybe put them on eBay, sign them, autograph them.
No, I think these are all the Christmas presents for the kids,
just
actually.
Plain. So we have these really cool lamps, right? It's very cool. Look, you got the Disney ships and where they're sailing. You got Mickey on the side. And these beds, really, this isn't 2 beds put together like on normal cruise ships. This is actually a full-size king bed. And Jenny's over here doing her hair and makeup.
Yep, so vanity, lots of drawer space, another hair dryer that's not like, I don't know,
it's a hair dryer.
cleaner.
Yeah,
it's not like
we have the one in there that blows your hair out and sucks it out. I don't know what it's doing. Yeah. And we also have the cooler here, which is nice and cold. There's nothing in it though. Jen will fill that up with leftovers every night. So lots of storage space. So over here at the desk on the side, we have plenty of outlets, as you can see, to charge all your devices. And then on the sides of the beds right here, we have more outlets. And the other cool thing, literally about, what does that button do? I think that might, on the side of the ship, might shut everything off. AC. Oh, Jenny's outside. And this right here is our veranda.
They're bringing in my food.
Bringing in all the food. Hopefully they got some suitcases for me, because we've yet to see those. All right. So veranda's nice. We got an unexpected surprise. As we said, we got upgraded. So there's that.
A dream is a wish your heart made.
Jenny is singing to you.
Whoop, whoop.
All right. Jen.
Okay.
Can you figure out how to close this since you opened it?
I got you.
Jen's trying to close it.
I don't know. Wait.
Good luck with that.
This is one of those old school things that I'm saying. Like, I went to the toilet in the public areas and I was ready to walk out and I'm like, why isn't this thing flushing? Oh yeah, because you still have to push the button.
What's nice about the Disney cruise is if you're here with kids and maybe they need a little privacy as far as to help them sleep, mom and dad can stay in this side of the room and you can throw these shades closed because that pulls out into a bed. Oh, good job, Jenny. It doesn't go all the way. You would have to pull the other side.
No, you have to, I don't know.
There's 2 drapes.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, see? That's where Jen's going to sleep tonight, on the couch over there, I'm pretty sure. All right, so this is our room tour. I'm going to do an official one so that the other cruise lines can be jealous. All right, so stateroom tour for 7616 on the Disney Magic. So here's the deal. The normal split bathroom on all Disney ships in full effect, which is really cool because this room you get ready in, right? And you have just tons of space to put all your stuff. And then, of course, you have your toilet. But this is the best part right here. I'm exactly
Stop playing with my blow dryer in there.
It's a blow dryer of some sort. So the other thing that's really crazy about this room is the amount of storage space, which we're going to go over. So you have this huge closet, which that's just one side. And then you have the other side with a safe.
Boots.
Yeah, pirate boots. So the safe is pretty good size. I don't think so, but lots of storage space, of course, in all of these drawers over here. All of this. This is the portion of the bathroom, the split bathroom. So you have another side here where you have a shower / tub. Crazy thing is I'm only like 5'9", 5'10" if I'm wearing my heels. And my head, when I get in the tub, comes up to right about there. So if you're tall, I don't know what you do. Do you have to take a tub or do you sit down taking a shower? I don't know. Somebody needs to explain that to me.
The shower's good and the water's hot, but the water bump.
Yeah, it pulsates in our room. So here's another pro tip, which we bring everywhere. We bring hats, but we also bring these metal hooks, which just go right there. And we hang stuff, and I also have them on the front door. And if we need to hang notes, we will hang notes with that little hanger there. So again, moving in, Jen, to the front room, we have this full-length mirror. Woo!
Yeah, that's nice. Very helpful.
On the passenger side, as I like to call it, because it's not my side of the bed, there is a cool lamp, which has really cool like Disney things. It shows the ships across the world and where they're at. I don't think that's real time though, because it never changes. And you have your phone, but there's only one outlet on this side. But you have a little drawer. Nice thing about a Disney ship is
it's one single mattress. There's no split mattress in between. Also, I have a question. Do you typically have passengers on that side of the bed, or is it my side of the bed?
That's your side of the bed.
That's what I thought.
That's what I said. It's your side.
It's pirate night.
It's pirate night.
And one of the most important things about the reason you need a comfortable place to sleep, because you're so busy during the day, you need a comfortable mattress. And I'm going to say that this is a very comfortable mattress.
So yes. So also more drawers and storage space and cabinets. It's just craziness. Some artwork. And also on the driver's side, which is my side, 2 outlets, a little drawer, and also another cool lamp. You also have these dividing curtains, which you could pull close.
Pull-out bed. Definitely a pull-out bed here. And then also a lot of storage underneath of the bed to put your suitcases out of the way, which we are like very strict on the unpacking rule with Tony. Loves to have everything unpacked and put away. So It's nice to have that space under there. And then more storage over here, small television, because this is an older ship, but it works just fine. And then you have the small cooler, which
other
I
side.
never even know which side it is.
It's the other side.
Honestly. Okay, that's what I thought, but I can never find it. Anyway, we brought some waters back from the cabana. Those don't typically come with the room. And then lots of storage space around the vanity. There's another hairdryer in there that doesn't look like the one in the bathroom.
Yeah, which is kind of crazy, right? Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, lights. This is where I do my makeup and get ready.
Yes, you do
right
a good
here.
job with it.
But yeah, so we God, look, I am so glad that they wrote hairdryer on there on the bag because I would be so confused if I just opened that bag.
Yeah.
Right? But kind of cool. I love the little touches. Ooh, little Mickey. It's not hidden. I hate when people say hidden Mickey because it's not really hidden.
It's plain view Mickey.
So it's plain view Mickey. And we have a veranda, which on the Magic is very cool. So we have 2 chairs out here. We are cruising. We just left Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point, and we are slowly making our way back to our home port of Fort Lauderdale. So overall, we always love Disney cruise ships because they are pretty nice. There's just tons of storage, tons of space. If I could give one pro tip, it would be bring the little hangers. You can hang your hats. It works good for, especially if you have little kids. Come back and you can hang stuff for the littles, you know, little toys, or if you want to, whatever, a wet suit, you can hang in the bathroom. Yeah.
They do frown upon you hanging hangers from here, though.
Yeah, don't
the sprinkler.
Don't hang hangers.
Usually they have those little signs up there that say "Do not use as a hanger" or something like that.
This is an old ship, so we don't do that.
They don't do that.
So
but
that
this
is
one's
our
beautiful and classic.
Yes, that is our room tour for 7616 on the Disney Magic. Woo! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.